How to get Tesla's FSD beta back after installing the holiday update. As Tesla's holiday update has been rolling out, some users with the full self-driving FSD beta have been reporting that the feature has disappeared under the Autopilot menu. Fortunately, the remedy has already been discovered and detailed, and it's a fairly simple solution. Multiple users reported the problem to Teslascope, as shared on X on Wednesday morning, noting that toggle options for the FSD beta disappeared once the holiday update was finished installing. According to Teslascope, the problem has been spotted with the rollout of software version 2023.44.30.2, which has been rolling out to a wider audience after Tesla added additional Autopilot safeguards to fix a recall announced last week. To make the FSD beta toggles reappear, users must simply reboot the vehicle by holding both scroll wheels in until the Tesla logo appears on the screen. This will cause the system to restart, and upon launch, toggle options for the FSD beta will reappear in the appropriate menu, as can be seen below. The Autopilot menu after the holiday update is installed, showing the disappearance of toggles for the FSD beta. Tesla's Autopilot menu after rebooting the vehicle, showing the FSD beta toggles once again. Some users in the thread also reported that the reboot didn't fix the issue, adding that they're working with Tesla service to find a solution. Another user noted that they were able to search for the term full on the Autopilot menu, showing the button again without the need to reboot. In any case, Tesla will likely roll out another software update that will fix the issue and other minor bugs, though it's not clear if this issue is on the automaker's radar as of yet, or when a fix might come through. At the time of writing, the Teslascope website shows that 2,313 Tesla vehicles have gotten the 2023.44.30.2 update, as hundreds more are awaiting install on their vehicles. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at Teslarati.